disconnected.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Start making a little video today. It's actually in the 40s today, about 45, and it's a lot better than it has been. So, got to get out and ride just a little bit in the woods while I got a chance, because this week's going to be horrible weather. See if I can make it across this little creek here without getting stuck. So I haven't been up through here in a long time, and it's kind of growed up, so there's no telling what's down the way. There's actually a tree in the way that used to not be there. So I'm going to have to find a different way around. Can't go the old way. I have to go over this way. But, as I said, gotta get out and ride while I got a chance. Trying to find a way to pick myself a path through here. A lot of loose rocks under these leaves. You can't see them, but over right here, they're like this. And you hit those with your tires and you're all over the place. This is the old trail. It's like a piece of wood there in it, but I think. Oh yeah, it's definitely grown up. Bunch of sassafras is sticking out through here. And a bunch of briars. Ow, like this one. They feel good. Blackberry. Now where? There's some more of those rocks I was telling you about. Them briars feel pretty good when they run down you. Luckily I got my jacket on. Trying to get a couple of them broke to get through here. There. For now. I have to ride through here a little more often. Tree down there. There's trees down all over the place that wasn't down. We had this oak borer beetles that killed a lot of trees, and the wind has blown a lot, so they've all fallen. This has been just dozed out, this old road through here, so it's kind of rough. That's all just so brushy. Gonna have to go through and clean out a trail again. My goodness. Goes up on the mountain over here. But I need to get the 300L out and ride it a little bit because it's been sitting a while. I haven't rode in, that's only been a week really. But if I get a chance, I'll ride. This week is going to be super colder. One day it's going to be like the high of 5 degrees. So I definitely won't ride that day. There's my old tree stand. Thought about bringing the Honda Shadow up here. No, definitely wouldn't want to do that. So now I got to find my trail. Right there, I think. When I come back up, I'm going to go up that hill the other way. So go back down this way. I'm pretty sure this is the way I came. Yeah. See where the leaves have been ruffled up. Yeah, that's the log I went over earlier. Good place to get a stick in your spokes. But right now is actually a lot better without the summer green everywhere, because then it really gets hard to go through here.
Intercom failed. Try again later.
That's what you do when you step down, put your foot in the hole. Like a knucklehead. Got one up on a rock with that rear tire. Stuck my foot in the hole, tried to put my foot down, and down we go. Slow-mo. Can't believe I just did that. Like a dummy. Now we're out. Whew. Goodness. Sorry for the heavy breathing.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Take two. We'll try this again. Oh, there I go again. At least I can put my foot on the ground. When that was happening, I was thinking, okay, I'm not going to fall. I tried leaning back left, and it didn't matter. It was already going, and I stuck my foot down, and and no place for my foot. There's always these holes up there everywhere, and it's where a long time ago a tree has fallen over and the roots come up. And it leaves just a big dent in the ground, a hole. Which way did I go? Down that way. So they're all over the place. There could be where a big rock was kicked out, but what a mess. Shame on the mess. Okay, let's try going up the hill this way. We'll come back down and out of here. It's a lot bigger hill climb than it looks like on camera. I guarantee you. There we go. We're back on the mountain camp up here. Head on back down out of here. So maybe after this week's nasty weather, snow we're supposed to get maybe, and super cold weather, hopefully it warms up enough I can start riding some more. I can't stand driving that little Ford Ranger to work. I want to ride the bike every day. I'd like to ride the street bike some more with the wife, the Shadow, but definitely going to have to be warm before I do that. But maybe it'll warm up enough I can start riding the 300 again. I mean, I could, but it's just no fun when it's that cold. So hopefully we get warmer weather. But look at this, man. It is getting close to Christmas. It's what you got to expect here in the Ozarks. That could be a little climb on me going this way out. Muddy. We're going to find out. Oh no. Nothing to it. Nothing to it. Okay, guys, that's it for my little short ride up through the woods. Not much, just kind of piddling around. The spring's running nice today. And we ain't had no rain either, really. Well, we did have some, I guess. Not near enough. But thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up. Hopefully more videos coming soon. I got some more reviews to do, but this is the time of year, if you notice the review videos, that I do review videos just for something to do because it's cold and nasty outside. So at least I can do review videos and get rid of some of that stuff. I do have a part I want to install on the Jeep Gladiator, a sector shaft brace for it, so I'll make a video of that probably. But some more video reviews, and get that stuff out of the way. But thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe. My glove will not stay fastened. That wore out. Catch you on the next one. Right on.